Okay, so as you know, anyone who watches this channel knows that I've been doing a lot of furring strip projects, I guess you could say. I mean, you can use them for a lot. I started using them for an accent wall that just turned into doing my whole entire bedroom. You can watch that video as well. Did the ceiling in the living room and the wall going up the steps, and so I have a lot of scrap left over. And the one wall, a lot of them were the same, or when I was doing the ceiling, a lot of them were the same. So I had 28-inch pieces left over, probably like 20 of them. I was just thinking of things to do. And, wall sconces are always a good idea because they're super simple to make. And I mean, especially if you're going for a rustic look, any project that's rustic, like you can just eyeball things. Like you barely even have to measure, because if it's sloppy, it's like, well, that's rustic. It's supposed to be that way. And you can really get away with being sloppy and cheating a lot. So these, like, I didn't really care if they were crooked, if they were bowed or anything. I just whipped them up. I mean, literally 5-minute job, and threw some polyurethane, just one coat of polyurethane. I don't plan on spilling drinks on them. And ordered some hooks off Amazon for $10, because you can't find them anywhere. You can't find hooks like this, like where I'm at anyway. I went to Lowe's, Home Depot, craft stores, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, nothing. But I did pick up lanterns at Michael's, and you can burn real candles in these. I didn't, but I have remote control candles. Once again, the lighting is horrible in my living room, but I kind of like it dark that way. But this is the finished product. I mean, I probably have, like, all the lanterns and everything were on sale. I probably have like $50 in the whole project.